To check your transaction history on Avenue Bank, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Avenue Bank website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the desired account. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This will take you to the account's detailed view. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History, Recent Transactions, or similar. Click on this option to view a list of all transactions associated with your selected account. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Avenue Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.